This is a brand new 2014 Nissan Rogue. It features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and a continuous variable transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, heated seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a Bose stereo system, a low tire pressure indicator, roof rails, dual airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a folding rear seat, cruise control, and satellite radio. With an EPA estimated rating of 33 miles per gallon on the highway, it's easy to see how you can save. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Tom Peacock Nissan is located at 15300 I-45 North in Houston. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.